लकडाउनका कारण अधिकांश मानिसहरू घरभित्र छन्।
900 people have died.
683 lives lost in Italy today alone.
Overnight, at least 5,000 new cases in the state.
COVID-19, the only topic in our mind from the time we wake up till we go to sleep. Today, we realize that we are so fragile that a small microscopic bacteria, which we can't even see, would change our life in such a way that we cannot even imagine. Before all this, we were dying to be famous, working our ass off to earn money and social status. Now, we can clearly see that all of these doesn't even matter. Today, all the influencers, high-profile celebrities, business entrepreneurs, they're locked in their rooms, sharing what they do in their quarantine. Whereas doctors, food suppliers, police, armies, cleaners are risking their life to save all of us. At the end of the day, who should we admire? And what have we achieved in our lives? We talk about social distancing, but it was being practiced by us in our daily life before this pandemic. We are more active in our social media rather than our real life. Now is the time to change. Put that phone down. Let's communicate. Stay safe. Let's be human.